Some manufacturing challenges leave no room for compromise. High-value components, more demanding tolerances, and greater consequences when things don't go as planned. That's where our heavy-duty grinding solutions make the difference. From compact heavy-duty configurations to solutions capable of handling components up to 8 meters long and 8 tons in weight. Every solution is engineered around the same objective: precision, stability, reliability. Because when you're grinding high-value parts, machine capacity alone is not enough. Success depends on stability, on repeatability, on controlling every variable, and on delivering the same result. That expertise is built into every solution we deliver, combining advanced machine technology, integrated measurement, proprietary software, process monitoring, and decades of grinding know-how. Quality is not only measured at the end of the process, it is built into every stage of production, all designed to achieve the same goal: consistent quality, maximum process stability. Because when there is no room for compromise, confidence in the process matters as much as precision itself. Danobat, heavy-duty grinding solutions engineered for confidence.